Oh, this is nice. I can't see, scratched everything.
What are you doing? That's good. So we got another Rolls Royce right here. This is going to be a full wrap, lowering, wheels, everything. A full makeover again. This is going to be a little bit different, the theme. Instead of doing the all two-tone black, we're doing a little bit of a two-tone gray and black. So you guys will see the progress. We do a lot of these, so you guys, every episode you almost see a Wraith on there. They're all different. So we're gonna get started on this and start tearing it apart.
We have a new horn. It sounds pretty good. Javier, let's put the horn on. Let's see how it sounds. Nice. New horn. We're about to put the new mirror, rearview mirror, get this car detailed, and release it to the customer.
And we're done.
There you go.
We're finishing up the Defender, and now let's move on to this G-Wagon. We did a full blackout on this thing a long time ago, however it's back for a sound system upgrade now. G-Wagons are a little bit lacking in the sound system department, especially with mids and bass. On this vehicle, we are changing the little subwoofer that goes underneath the rear seats with a JL audio sub. We're also changing all the door speakers. We're changing the amp so it goes also louder. G-Wagons don't go too loud with the stereo, so this amp is going to allow the volume to go even higher. So very cool thing to do on the G-Wagons. Anybody that loves music, you got to do this on the G-Wagons, do a little sound system upgrade. G-Wagon's all done up, the sound system is amazing, and now we're on to the next one.
We have Javier, our technician. He's sweeping for the first time. He's been here for 7 years. This is the first time he's sweeping, and I have no idea why. So we have a Mercedes here. This car came into us a couple days ago because these wheels were plastic dipped. So it's really, really bad, poor quality. You never plastic dip wheels. You powder coat them. So everything was coming off. So what we did was, it's all satin black powder coat, and also we did the bottom spoiler piece, as you guys can see. It's perfect. We added that body kit piece on there, along with the rear trunk as well. We added a beautiful piece as well. So the whole car looks perfect. All the colors are matching. It looks the same. Satin black finish. Good to go.
I'm not doing this shit again.
Man down! Man down! Fuck out!
Oh, look at it.
I got it again. Jesus.
Hello everyone.
That was a good battle.
Alright, this Rolls Royce wrap is coming out really nice. We have a couple more trims to wrap up. It's coming out really good. It's a little different than the ones we're used to, but the end result's gonna be really nice.
What the baby fucking war, you little bitch? Ah! Fucking Vitor! Yeah, Vitor! Vitor, my name is not Vitor. It's Vicky. Ah!
Your fucking employers!
Employers!
Tell your
employers!
Okay, perfect. I'll see you in the morning.
No problem.
Okay.
See you later.
Thanks, Liz.
Bye-bye. Hey.
Later.
So we have this Land Rover here. This car is complete. We did the horn and the mirror. Pretty much it for this car this time. We're going to release it to the customer. And that's it.
So we got our good buddy Chris Brown's car behind me right here.
Girl, you just like me. I know that you nasty, I know that you, yeah.
You guys saw us wrap this in purple chrome. It's a little wild, but it's really cool. We just finished redoing his wheels, his 4G Auto wheels. We matched it to the color of the car. So purple chrome wheels, purple chrome wrap. This car looks crazy. With the top down, it's got the burgundy interior. So purple chrome and burgundy. Doesn't get much crazier than that. We got some new merchandise in. We keep running out of hats, so we keep doing new styles when we run out. Ran out of the black suede bills. Now we introduced 3 colorways. We got the burgundy, we got the navy, and we got the black. These hats are pretty cool. They have the flat bill. They're also pretty short as far as height. They're unconstructed, so they're kind of flabby, which I think is a really cool look, whether you wear it forward or backwards. We're gonna be putting these all on the website in the 3 colorways and ready to order.
So we have a Lamborghini here. This Lamborghini, we have 4 brand new Pirellis on here, along with a service, synthetic oil change, filter, top off fluids. We still have a little bit more to do, so we're gonna check their stereo out on this car, and then wrap it up, and that's it.
All right, so we just finished up this beautiful Wraith. This time we did the satin dark gray on the top. We also did a pinstripe over the existing pinstripe along the side to match the wrap. We didn't wrap the sides or anything. The customer first wanted to get rid of the pinstripe, but we told him, you know, with this added pinstripe to match the top, it's gonna look really cool and different. So it did end up being really nice and different. We also did 24-inch 4G Auto Technica wheels. These wheels are becoming super popular. They are step lip, 3-piece, 24-inch wheels. They look amazing on this car. We lowered it so the stance is real nice as well. And we're done. On to the next one.